I am your friend and guide Shubham Das. So in my previous videos, already I have explained you about the introduction of trigonometry, about the trigonometric ratios, the different tricks how to remember the trigonometric ratios. So today we'll discuss about the trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. Specific angles. Which are the angles? 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So how we'll find out? I will tell one by one and watch the video till the end, because I'll tell you the trick which will help you to find all the angles within a glimpse of second. So now let us start about the trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. Okay, now see, now take one right angle triangle. Okay, let's say A, B, C. Right angle at B, triangle ABC, right angle at B. So this is your hypotenuse, you know. The side opposite to the right angle is the hypotenuse. Now here, let AB is equal to BC. AB is equal to, in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, let AB is equal to BC is equal to A. Let. So, angle B is 90 degree. B is equal to your 90 degree. So, AC is equal to H. Now, according to Pythagoras theorem, we know H is equal to P square plus B square root of. So we have taken, this is A, this is your A. So A square plus A square square root, that is equal to square root of 2A square. That is equal to, we can write A root 2. A root 2. Which one? AC. AC. Okay. Now this is your 45 degree. This is your 45 degree, because BC is equal to AB. So this is a isosceles triangle. Isosceles right angle triangle. So here angle A is 45 degree, angle C is also 45 degree. Now see, here from this triangle we have to find out sin 45, cos 45, tan 45, cot 45, sec 45 and cosec 45. Okay, now let us see sin 45 degree. Sin A, then we'll write A is 45, sin A. Sin A is your how? Opposite by hypotenuse. You know, SOHCAHTOA. I am recalling SOHCAHTOA. Opposite. So A by A root 2. So A cancel is equal to 1 by root 2 sin A. So A is how much? 45 degree. So sin 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2. Sin 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2. Now take cos. Similarly, cos 45 degree, or write that cos A is equal to A 45 degree is equal to your A by H adjacent by hypotenuse. A is your A root 2. Okay, A cancel, that is equal to your 1 by root 2. Then cos A, what is the value of A? Angle A is 45 degree. Angle A is 45 degree. Angle A 45 degree. So cos 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2. Now tan 45 degree. So tan 45 degree directly I am writing, because we know from the quotient ratio or quotient relation we can find out sin 45 by cos 45 is tan 45, because tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta. Sec theta is equal to 1 by cos theta, and cosec theta is 1 by sin theta. So that is reciprocal ratio. We can also find out. But now here see 10, 45. So 10A, this is your A, 1045. How much? Your BC. BC by AB. BC is your A, AB is your A. Is equal to 1. Opposite by adjacent, you know, TOA. Opposite by adjacent. A by A is equal to 1. Now, cot 45. Your A by O, adjacent by opposite, is equal to same. A by A is equal to 1. Now, see, sec 45. Sec 45. So, this is your H by A. H by A. H is equal to your A root 2 by A is your adjacent side. Here A cancel is equal to root 2. Now cosec 45 is equal to how much? Cosec 45 is equal to H by O, hypotenuse by opposite. So hypotenuse A root 2, opposite side A cancel. Okay, that is equal to your root 2. So here sin 45 1 by root 2, cos 45 1 by root 2, tan 45 1, cot 45 1, sec 45 root 2, and cosec 45 root 2. So you have to remember this value. Now we'll find out the values of 30 degree and 60 degree by taking another triangle. So now take a equilateral triangle, an equilateral triangle ABC. Okay. Now this and this are equal. Equilateral. So this is 60 degree. This is your 60 degree. This is also 60 degree. Now draw a perpendicular bisector of BC from A, vertex A. So now this is your D. Now AD perpendicular to BC. So this is 90, 90. Okay. AD perpendicular. So this angle will become 30 degree, and this will also become 30 degree. Okay. So here perpendicular bisector. This is your 2A. This is your 2A. So here it become A and A bisector. So 2A will become A and A bisector, equally divides. So A and A. Now here see, AB is given, BD is given, but AD is not given. So AD is equal to how much? AB square minus BD square root over, according to Pythagoras theorem. According to Pythagoras theorem. So AB 2A square minus BD A square root over is equal to 4A square minus A square root over is equal to 3A square root over is equal to A root 3. Okay, this is your A root 3. Clear? Now we'll find out the value of, let's say, sin 30 degree. Start from sin 30. Sin, you know, remember this again. So, ka, toa. Just remember this. Sin opposite by hypotenuse. Sin 30 opposite. Your BD by hypotenuse AB. Hypotenuse AB. So BD is equal to your A. AB is equal to your how much? 2A. Okay. So that is equal to your A cancelled. 1 by 2. Now I can find out the cos 30 degree. Cos your how much? Cos 30 degree. So adjacent AD by AB is equal to here A root 3 by 2A. So A cancelled, root 3 by 2. Now by using sine and cos we can find out tan. So now tan 30 degree is equal to, directly I can find out tan 30 how, opposite BD by adjacent your AD is equal to opposite BD, A by adjacent A root 3 is equal to 1 by root 3. Okay, now here cot 30 degree. Cot 30 degree opposite reciprocal of tan 30. So AD by BD is equal to A root 3 by A is equal to root 3. Now here sec 30 reciprocal of cos. So AP by AD is equal to 2A by A root 3 is equal to 2 by root 3. Okay, 2 by root 3. Now cosec 30. Cosec 30 reciprocal of sin 30. So AP by BD is equal to 2A by A is equal to 2. So these are the values of sin 30, cos 30, tan 30, cot 30, your sec 30, cosec 30. So if you can find out the value of sin and cos, you can find all, because sin by cos tan, cos by sin cot, or reciprocal of tan cot, 1 by sin your cosec, 1 by cos sec. Now come to 60 degree, finding 60 degree. Now see, sin 60 degree, sin 60 degree. See, so 60 your sin opposite by hypotenuse, opposite your AD by hypotenuse your AB is equal to your A root 3 by 2A, AA is equal to root 3 by 2. Okay, now cos 60 is equal to your A by H is equal to A adjacent your BD by AB is equal to A by 2A is equal to 1 by 2. A cancel. Now tan 60 is equal to opposite by adjacent is equal to opposite your AD by adjacent BD is equal to A root 3 by A is equal to root 3. Now cot 60 degree is equal to adjacent by opposite is equal to BT by AD is equal to A by A root 3 is equal to 1 by root 3. Now sec 60 degree is equal to sec 60 degree H by A is equal to AB by BD, AB by BD is equal to 2A by A, so is equal to 2. Now cosec 60 degree, cosec 60 degree is equal to H by O is equal to AP by AD is equal to 2A by A root 3, A cancelled, so 2 by root 3, 2 by root 3. So these are the values of sin 60, cos 60, tan 60, cot 60, sec 60, cosec 60. Now we will find out the values of 0 and 90. So now see, here is the triangle ABC, right angle at B. So we are going to find out 0 degree first, 0 degree. Now here when the angle will decrease, here theta 1, so here theta 1 less than theta, again here become theta 2 less than theta 1 less than theta, here angle continuously the angle is decreasing, here theta is equal to becomes 0 degree. Now what happened, when the angle will decrease, see the perpendicular BC, the perpendicular BC is continuously decreasing in length, and finally the BC is 0 here. Now here in figure 4, BC is equal to 0. No, and AC coincides with AB. That implies here AC is equal to AB. AC continuously coming down, and now finally coincides with AB. So now we'll find out this angle 0. Now sine 0 degree. Sine 0 degree, we know if sine theta is equal to, we know that is your BC by what? AC. Sine 0 degree. Here BC by AC. If sine theta, then BC by AC, hypotenuse. So you know that is equal O by H, opposite by hypotenuse. Here BC becomes 0. So 0 by AC, let's say AC, or we can write AB also. Here AC or 0 by AB. No matter, because 0 by anything is 0. So that is equal to here 0. Now cos 0 degree. Cos 0. Okay. That is your AB by AC. Cos adjacent by hypotenuse. Okay. AB by AC. Now that is equal to your AB by AB. Why? Because AC is equal to AB. AC is equal to AB. So now that is equal to your 1. Now come to tan 0 degree. Tan 0 is equal to your BC by AB is equal to BC tan 0. BC by AB. BC is 0. 0 by AB is equal to 0. Now cot 0 degree is equal to cot 0. Now here AB by BC. Here AB is there. BC 0. BC is 0. So something by 0 is not defined. So value cannot be obtained. ND not defined. Now sec 0 degree. Sec 0 degree. Okay. Sec 0 degree, how we are finding? That is equal to your AC by AB. AC by AB. AC by AB. Okay. AC by AB. AC is equal to AB. So AB by AB is equal to 1. Now come to cosec. So cosec 0 degree. Cosec 0 degree. That is equal to AC by BC. AC by BC. AC by BC. Okay. Now AC is equal to AC, right? AC or AB also. AC is equal to AB. Now BC. BC is 0. So something by 0. Here look at something by 0. Something by 0 is not defined. Indeed, we cannot obtain the value of cosec 0 degree. So this way we are remembering the value of sine 0 degree, cos 0, tan 0, cot 0, sec 0 and cosec 0. Now we'll discuss about the 90 degree. So now we'll find out the trigonometric ratio of specific angles 90 degree. So I have drawn 4 figures. See, in figure 1, ABC is a right angle triangle, right angle at B. Now to get 90 degree, now see how I am decreasing the base and increasing the angle. So here theta 1 greater than theta. Here theta 2 greater than theta 1. And here theta 3 becomes 90 degree. Now in figure 4, what happened? See, AB is equal to 0. AB is equal to 0 and AC coincides with BC. AC coincides with BC. So AC is equal to BC. Okay. Now we are going to find out the angle. So now sine 90 degree. Okay. Sine 90. We know sine opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite what? BC by AC. Now BC is equal to AC. BC is equal to AC. So we can write BC by BC is equal to 1. Now cos 90 degree is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent AB by hypotenuse your AC. Okay. Now AB becomes 0. 0 by AC. 0 by something is equal to 0. Okay. Now tan 90 degree. Opposite by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent. What is opposite? Your BC by AB. So BC by AB. AB is becoming 0. So BC by 0. Something by 0. So not defined. Not defined. Now find out your cot 90 degree. See, cot 90 degree is equal to adjacent by opposite is equal to AB by BC is equal to 0. AB 0. So 0 by BC. 0 by something is 0. Okay. Now sec 90. Sec 90 is equal to how much? Your hypotenuse by adjacent side. Hypotenuse by adjacent side. So AC by AB. So AC, AB 0. So now something by 0. Something by 0 is your not defined. Now cosec. Cosec 90 is equal to H by O is equal to your AC by BC. AC by BC. So AC is equal to BC. So we can write BC by BC is equal to 1. So where we have to remember all these things to remember the ratio of specific angles. See all these triangles. No. One trick for all angles. If you can remember only 5 numbers. Only 5 numbers. Then the total whole angles of sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec, 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, all will be in your mind. Without remembering all these angles, you can find out within glimpse of a second. Now let us see the trick. So let us see the trick how to find out the ratio of some specific angles. So now simple, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Step 1. Now see by 4, by 4, by 4, by 4, by 4. Now divide all by 4. Now take root over, root over, root over, root over, root over. So what we have done? Step 1, write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then step 2, divide all by 4, 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4. Step 3, take root over of all. means 0 by 4 root over, 1 by 4 root over, 2 by 4 root over, 3 by 4 root over, 4 by 4 root over. Then what will get? Simply we got the answer. This is your, now see, 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree, 90, 60, 45, 30, 0. This is for sine. This is for sine. Sine 0 degree. So what is the value coming? See, 0 by something is 0. 0 by something is 0. So 0 root over, so 0. Now 1 by 4 root over 1 by 2. Now 2 by 4 reducing will get 1 by 2. 1 by 2, 2 by 4 root over is equal to 1 by 2 root over is equal to 1 by root 2. So here 1 by root 2. Now 60 root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. Now 4 by 4 1. Root over of 1 is 1. Now remembering the angle of sine, we can complete the table within fraction of second. How? See. So sine, cos is the reverse of sine. 1. Right here 1. Then root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. Now here 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. Here half. 1 by 2. Here 1 by 2. Okay. 0. Here 0. Now 10. 10 is sine by cos. You know. 0 by 1. 0 by something is 0 here. Now 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2 is coming 1 by root 3. Here 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2 1. Here root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2 is coming here root 3. Now 1 by 0. So value cannot be obtained. ND not defined. Now cut the reverse of 10. Now here ND, here root 3, here 1, here 1 by root 3, then here 0. Okay. Now sec, reciprocal of cos. Reciprocal 1 by 1, 1. 1 by root 3 by 2, 2 by root 3. Reciprocal of cos 1 by root 2 is your root 2. Now 1 by 2 is equal to 2. Now 1 by 0, 1 by 0. So not defined. Okay. Now reciprocal sec is the cosec. So reciprocal of sine is cosec. Now reverse of sec is cosec. ND here, ND here 2, here 2, here root 2, here root 2, root 2 by root 3 here, 2 by root 3, here 1, here 1. So once again I am recalling it. So write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now by 4, by 4, by 4, by 4, by 4. Again root over, root over, root over, root over, root over. What we are getting? We are getting the sine 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. We are writing sine. Then reversing the angle of the sine 1 here, we can get the cos. Now sine by cos 10, reverse order of 10 is got 1 by cos sec, 1 by sine cosec. So in this way we can write the table, we can remember it within second without remembering all these triangles. Now move on to the example. Example number 1. So find the value of tan 30 degree into sine 60 degree plus sine 45 degree into sec 45 degree. Now that is equal to your tan 30. What is the value of tan 30? 1 by root 3 into sine 60. Value of sine 60 root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2 plus sine 45. Sine 45. So that is equal to your 1 by root 2 into sec 45. Sec 45 is your value root 2. So that is your root 2. So that is equal to root 3 cancel, root 2 cancel. That is equal to your 1 by 2 plus 1. So directly you can write 1 whole 1 by 2 or 3 by 2 is the required answer. Now go for the example 2. So in example 2, if 10a plus b is equal to root 3 and 10a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3, 0 degree less than a plus b less than equal to 90 degree, a greater than b, angle a greater than angle b, find a and b. Okay, now see, here 10 a plus b is equal to root 3. Root 3, what is the value of 10 theta where root 3 is coming? That is 10 60 degree. So we can write that is equal to 10 60 degree. Therefore, 10 we will omit these two, 10 and 10. So we can write that a plus b is equal to 60 degree. Now come to the second part. Given 10 a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3. Hello, 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 is equal to your 10 is there. So 10 30 degree. We have to find out in term of 10 because 10 is given in the left. So we have to cancel 10 and 10. That implies your a minus b is equal to 30 degree. This is your equation 1. This is your equation 2. Now given a plus b is equal to 60, a minus b is equal to 30. So now adding equation, this is your 1, this is your 2. Equation 1 and 2, we will get, what we will get? This cancelled, you know. So 2a is equal to how much? 90 degree. Now a is equal to 90 by 2. That implies a is equal to your 45 degree. A coming 45 degree. Now we have to find out the value of b. So putting the value of a in equation, let equation 1, we will get, what we will get? A 45 degree plus b is equal to 60 degree. That implies b is equal to 60 degree minus 45 degree. That implies b is equal to your 15 degree. Therefore, a, find a and b. Therefore, a is equal to 45 degree and b is equal to 15 degree. This is the required solution. Thanks for watching my videos till now. Kindly subscribe my channel, share my videos and give your valuable comments so that I will upload more and more videos in the future. Thank you.